Happy Halloween, everybody. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe, got a lot of candy, and staying warm. And it's cold out here in Michigan, that's for sure. Now this is a little nostalgia, a little throwback to the good old days. Vintage turntable. I'm not sure if that's the brand, but that's model number. As you can see right there. Actually, that's, 157. I'll leave the links down below. I'm not sure who this is. Retrolife. Okay, that works. So we got here 2-speed with 3 sizes. Vinyl player. Play music wirelessly. Built-in stereo speakers. Oh, cool. 3.5 aux input jack. And RCA output. So this has everything in it. So there it goes on the other side. Aha, this looks better to show. Alright, we're going to open it up, set it up, and I might get copyrighted for this, but hopefully not. We got to test it out somehow. They shall allow us to do that. Just saying, if it's for like a 30-second video, 30-second song, they should not flag us. Because that's nothing. I mean, we can't make nothing off a 30-second song. So, hopefully this works. We'll be right back. Alright, this is what it looks like when you get out of the bag. I got the manual right here. Should be easy to set up. Got the Retrolife. What is it, like a cover? Pretty cool. On the side, power cord. That's always a good thing. Now let me... top. Everything looks good. We'll be right back. Just want to show you before I take everything off. Everything is well protected. Look at that. Kind of reminds me of the old ones back in the day when I was younger, but like I said, I've been through so much I can't remember how it was back then, but it's alright. Boom. Look at that. Ooh, baby. Kind of looks like a brake disc. And that's covered, so that's a good thing. And of course, like I said, they got the lid. And I think that's like a dust cover. I'm not sure. We'll figure it out. And now let's go look at this back of this. This is where all the good stuff is. Aux phone line out. I think that's what it is. PH. There it goes, the DC audio. So you can get up to your subwoofer. It's really cool though. Be a nice little conversation piece. But like I said, everybody seems to be going back to vinyl. But that's the best sound of music though, is through this. There we go. Needles probably taped. Yeah. It's got a little rubber band. You just got to take this off. And the needles underneath there. We got the volume right here on the side. It's a nice dial. Look at that. That's cool. This is definitely totally different than what I had. So, we got the switches right here. What is it? Auto stop on and off. 3.3 or 33. Bluetooth. BT. 45s. No. 45s. 33s. And BTs. I think it's a normal disc or record. Vinyl. Whatever you want to call it. So many different names for it. I like the nice little gold trim on the side. Sorry about that. I think I'm losing my voice. It's snowing now, like I said, out here in Michigan, so definitely not prepared. Don't like the winter, but I do like the people. Should be fun. Alright, next time, the lid will be on. Dang, she is a beauty. Look at that. And nice with the case on it. No, there's a lot of glare if you could tell, but Yeah, this is definitely a nice one, guys. We got ourselves a winner. Retrolife. Check them out. Thank you guys for sending me this unit. Now we're going to jam on. A lot of people should know this album. Talk about back in the day. Yeah. It is that time for some Def Leppard. This has Pour Some Sugar on Me, Rocket. That was always a good jam. Rocket, of course, could Pour Some Sugar. Everybody knows that one. Armageddon. Gods of War. Don't Shoot Shotgun. Run Riot, Hysteria. And that's what it is, Hysteria. Well, it is time, guys. Let's see if I can get this all in one. Really cool. Alright, guys, we'll test it out. Put the power on. Alright, guys, before turning it on, make sure you remove the needle. There we go. See, there's a little plastic piece. You can see the needle right in there. Okay. Oh boy. Now I know I have to hit the power switch, so bear with me. Alright, guys, my hand is right here, right where the switch is. Does it light up or anything? Oh, yep. Bada boom. Now, if I remember how to do this right. Oh, no, there's a twist tie. So be careful if you're trying to yank it. Look how dusty this is. It's been years since, and I don't even know when this came out. 1987. This hasn't been used since then. That is wild to me. It should sound good too. There we go. Oh, baby. Hit the switch. Push that down. Right there. Ooh. Whoa. Damn. That sounds amazing. Since 1987 that hasn't been played. Oh man, I miss those days. But thank you guys at Retrolife for sending me this unit. And YouTubers, check it out. It sounds amazing. Hit the like button because I might get copyrighted. So I took the chance so you guys can hear it. Sounds amazing. Works great. Thank you guys. Be safe. Have a good day.